Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ryobi variable speed drill driver corded 5.5 amp drill. It is model number D43K and it does come with this little carrying case, and then inside there you'll have the drill, and it does have the cord with it. So we're going to get the cord all unwrapped and straightened out and lay this guy down. Alrighty guys, so this has a forward and a backward, and it also does have a trigger lock where if you pull the trigger down, push that in, it'll hold the trigger down for you. Pull the trigger again and let it go, it'll release that. And regular chuck, just like any other drill. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in to assist me in opening the chuck. By the way guys, we are giving away this entire kit at the end of February, which is coming up in a few days here. So if you haven't subscribed, I definitely would. We don't have that many subscribers, so you probably have a pretty good chance of winning. All right guys, back to this Ryobi drill here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold the chuck and pull the trigger to open and close the drill. So then from there, we're going to start off by putting just a regular bit in it to drill a hole in a piece of wood here. Tighten it down as much as we can by hand. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to get it up to speed. And I'm going to go ahead and drill a hole with this. Corded stuff, you guys, it has so much power because it's plugged into the wall. Even a 5.5 amp one, they're pretty darn good, especially with the price points that they have compared to battery stuff. We're going to go ahead and put a hole in this guy. And that is the D43 Ryobi corded 3/8 drill driver. Actually, we're going to go ahead and run a screw with it as well. We got the stuff in front of me, why not? So we're going to go ahead and throw this Phillips bit in there. Ratchet that down, tighten it down as much as we can. Yeah, these holes are actually bigger than, yeah, so that's funny, it just drops right through. Here's one that's not that big. Alright guys, so we're going to run this screw into here, show you that too. There's that. Alright guys, well thank you again for watching. If anybody has any future video ideas, please don't hesitate to let us know. Don't forget to boop the like button and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks everybody, have a great day.